attaching great importance to environmental protection. Huawu Village, a once nationally designated poor village in southwest China's Guizhou province, has shaken off poverty and become a pilot project in developing rural ecological tourism. Located near the source of the Wujiang River in the western part of Guizhou, the natural environment of the small village of Miao ethnicity has improved thanks to concerted efforts of water pollution control, ecological restoration, and a fishing ban in the Wujiang River basin.
多年以前，乌江水质受到严重的污染，现在贵州的水质越来越好。我们不止现在局限于物理化学指标，下一步我们将水中一些生物指标进行监测，实现生物的多样性。
Targeting the attraction of splendid mountain views and vast water bodies, in addition to a unique ethnic Miao culture, the village has made great efforts in developing rural tourism. It has been active in building tourism infrastructure, such as roads, parking lots, campsites, and guest houses, producing distinctive agricultural products and exhibiting traditional Miao embroidery.
以前苗绣蜡染是我们的老百姓自己生产来自己用自己穿，市场比较狭窄。为了拓宽苗绣蜡染的市场，我们大力的开发文创产品，同时呢，通过线上直播带货等方式呢，把我们的苗绣蜡染产业推向市场，满足市场的需求，同时增加群众的收入。
Local residents have received the dividends of ecological tourism. Since 2021, tourists have made over 900,000 trips to the village. The combined tourism income of the village exceeded 300 million yuan.